Hi everyone, in this video you'll learn what are HTML block and inline elements and how they are used. HTML block and inline are two of the most common display values for HTML elements. Display block elements start on a new line, with browsers automatically adding space, that is margin, before and after the element. Display inline elements do not begin on a new line. That is, multiple elements are displayed side by side. Block-level elements. These elements inherently expand to occupy the entire available width, extending from the left to the right edges. Two frequently used block elements are p, which defines a paragraph, and div, which defines a division or section within an HTML document. Here is a sample code. As you can see in this preview, both elements start on a new line, instead of displaying side by side. Common block-level elements. Here is a list of some common block-level HTML elements. Inline elements. An inline element does not begin on a new line and it occupies only the width required by its content. So, inline elements are displayed side by side or inline depending on the available section width. For example, span element is an inline element. And here we have multiple span elements placed together. You can see in this preview that they are displayed side by side. Common inline elements. Here is a list of some common inline HTML elements. The div element. The div element is frequently employed as a block container for various HTML elements. Most HTML pages nowadays consist of multiple div elements stacked together. The div elements may contain attributes like style, class, and ID. When combined with CSS, the div element can be utilized to style content blocks. For example, here we have two div elements, each having a style attribute having different values. They are creating a layout like this. The span element. The span element serves as an inline container for marking up sections of text or documents. When employed alongside CSS, the span element can be utilized to style text sections. For example, here we have two span elements. One is styled as red and bold, and the other is styled as blue and bold, as you can see in this preview. This was all about HTML block and inline elements. Check the video description for more information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.